To capture a WorldPay merchant account, you need to understand the process and requirements involved. The first step is to apply for a WorldPay merchant account, which can be done online through the WorldPay website. You will need to provide basic business information, such as your business name, address, and contact details. Once your application is approved, you will receive a merchant account number and other relevant details. The next step is to set up your payment processing system, which may involve integrating WorldPay's payment gateway into your website or point-of-sale system. To capture a payment, you need to obtain the customer's payment details, such as their credit card number, expiration date, and security code. This information can be collected through a secure online payment form or in person using a card reader. It is essential to ensure that you are compliant with the payment card industry data security standard, which requires you to implement certain security measures to protect sensitive customer information. This includes using a secure payment gateway, encrypting sensitive data, and restricting access to authorized personnel. When capturing a payment, you need to send a request to WorldPay's payment gateway, which will then verify the customer's payment details and check for sufficient funds. If the payment is successful, you will receive a response indicating that the payment has been captured. Best practices for capturing a WorldPay merchant account include ensuring that you have a clear and concise payment process, providing customers with a secure payment environment, and keeping accurate records of all transactions. It is also essential to monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity and to respond promptly to any customer inquiries or disputes. In summary, capturing a WorldPay merchant account requires a thorough understanding of the application and setup process, as well as compliance with relevant security standards. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a secure and efficient payment processing system for your business.